Hello guys, welcome back to Poppy's channel. Today let's take a look at the brand new Ecovacs Deebot X9 Omni robot vacuum. It builds on the strong features of the previous X8, but with some exciting new upgrades. Let's check out how it vacuums and mops. First, on the vacuum side. It uses Ecovacs exclusive blast suction tech with 16,000 Pascal of power and high airflow. It easily picks up dust, debris, and even larger particles. No mess left behind. Moving to mopping, it features a patented pressurized roller mopping system. An 8-nozzle spring keeps the mop wet while cleaning, and 3,700 Pascal of pressure helps scrub away stubborn dirt. A rubber scraper removes the dirty water instantly, and the built-in pump collects the wastewater so the mop stays clean as it goes. Next, let's look at the edge cleaning. It has a side brush with a fixed wind blade design that stops hair from getting tangled. And now the brush extends out to really get into those corners. The mop does too. It slides out during cleaning, so every edge gets both vacuumed and mopped. Besides, it supports advanced voice control with Eco AI voice assistant. You don't need to take out your phone, just say "Eco clean the kitchen," and it responds right away and starts cleaning, like having a smart and helpful assistant at home. Overall, the Ecovacs Deebot X9 Omni makes big improvements in deep cleaning, smart features, and user experience. If you are looking for a robot vacuum that really does the work for you, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.